and it is day 3 of roof work. Today actually we have a small side quest because we're gonna fix the leaks that are in the canal. So we have this canal here on our land, which is right there, and we're cleaning out, right, we're removing all these plants, and we found this leak. There's a lot of water here coming from a leak somewhere in this canal, and there is actually another one near the stairs and maybe a third one right about there. Our neighbor is gonna help fix these holes, so that's we'll be seeing.
È tutto bagnato. Il martello pneumatico e la fase di vieni, vai va.
Da Corso Buenos Aires, non sei presente, no?
Ma ci siamo, io porterei così fino a lì. Ci siamo. Lo porterei così. Basta, ci sono le pietre, i rocci. Andiamo a buttare lì? Sì. Non attacca questo qua.
Un po' con la mano.
Veramente? Davvero? Ah, c'è la grande Titanic.
Mettimi poco alla volta. Poco alla volta.
Vai. devo buttare qua. Se ci riesco.
Così.
Tanto qua.
Credi tu.
So that's the canal almost fixed. Now we just wait for it to dry. And in the meantime, we can continue with the roof. So we've done quite a bit. So there's a few pieces we want to do still. There's a few. After that, we bring all the clean bricks up to the little tower, as we did the past 2 days, and then we're gonna remove all the rubble. But let me show you how many bricks we already got. $1,200 bricks. That is a lot of bricks, and probably enough to build the battlements with that we want to build later on. So what we need to do now is clean off some more bricks. It's basically all done, but there's a few left. Then we've obviously smashed some, so we've got this whole pile of half bricks that we need to move up the tower as well. After that, we need to dispose of the rubble that we've made. Obviously we're not gonna chuck it off the roof, so we're gonna put it in buckets and then carry it down manually. That is for tomorrow, however. It is day 3, and I think it's enough for today. So thank you for supporting us by watching this video. If you want to know about other ways you can support us, then please take a look at the description right below that like button. If you have some tips and tricks, do's and don'ts, then do also feel free to share those. And you'll see us in the next one. Ciao!